Hey guys, so here we're gonna make this style of earring right here. I'm not sure what to call it yet, but you're gonna need some 20 gauge wire, and you're gonna need 12 2mm beads and the tassel and an earring back. So you're gonna add 6 of your beads to one side of the wire. Then you're gonna go in and add the little tassel that's right there, and you'll add the rest of your 6 beads. After that, you just want to take that and make a little loop and twist it, but make sure that you leave some space at the top. That way, you can wrap the rest of the wire that we're going to wrap right now. So once you have that, just cut the excess off, and we're going to make a loop. After I make this loop, I'm going to add the earring back for the earring. Like that. Now this wire is 26 gauge wire. It's a lot thinner, so you can wrap it around the earring better. And you're going to start with 3 beads, then you're going to go in with 4, another 4, 3, and 2. And you're going to just put it in between each little bead on the side, the ones that we put on the first loop. Hopefully you can see better. Hopefully you can see good. I'm new to this stuff, so yeah. So there I'm just wrapping it, finishing it off, and we're just going to go around and make a little loop and wrap it around one of the little last crystals. Make sure it's tight so it won't come undone. Then cut the excess off, and we're going to tuck that in so it won't be poking to the back of your ear. And there you have it. You have your pair of earrings. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Bye.